So the next part is, as ma'am was saying, each product we are going to have a demonstration, and I'm going to give you the product benefits, the product name about all our 19 products which have been launched today. So the first product is the Feminine Hygiene and Care. The product name is B Curve Serum. The B Curve Serum product offers essential nutrients that aids in uplifting and enhancing the breast, resulting in a fuller and curvier appearance. Additionally, it moisturizes the skin, enhancing its elasticity and leaving it soft and smooth. Moreover, it is effectively prevents sagging and expansion of the breast, ensuring they maintain a perfectly lifted shape. So this is the product, the B Curve Cream. So the first product on display, as I've already explained it, it's the B Curve Serum on the category of the Feminine Hygiene and Care. So on screen we are seeing the B Curve Serum. This serum is mostly used for in aid in uplifting and enhancing the breast in resulting a fuller and curvier appearance. So this is the product which we are having on screen.
So in the market, if you could see a lot of cream-based product available, why we have chosen serum-based product? Our skin is a three-layer skin. Okay, when you are having the serum-based, which will give you real solution. In market, if you could see any serum-based, it will be more than 3,000, 2,000 rupees. Even you can check with any online also. That's why I'm telling you, this kind of product is costing more than 6,000 rupees in Middle East and US and all other countries. But this we are giving you very, very cheaper price.
So we'll move on for the second product on the category of Feminine Hygiene and Care. The product name is VBB Secret Brightening Serum. So VBB Brightening Serum is a skincare product that is formulated to provide care to intimate areas of the body. It contains a natural base active ingredients that works to brighten the skin and to promote even complexion. Regular use of the serum can help to achieve smoother skin in those specific areas. So on display we have the VBB Secret Brightening Serum. The next product on the category of feminine hygiene and care, we have the V Secret Tightening Serum. The product benefits are introducing our rejuvenating vaginal tightening serum, a powerful combination of extracts derived from the natural sources that aids in the of firmness and elasticity in the vaginal region. This V-tightening serum effectively enhances the production of collagen fibers within the vaginal tissues, therefore restoring the elasticity of the vaginal walls. So this serum is the V Secret Tightening Serum. The next product. The category is the feminine hygiene and care, and our product name is the V Secret Cleanser Serum. The description of the product and benefits. V Cleanser contains a blend of natural ingredients that aid in preventing irritation to the intimate area and assist in maintaining the pH balance. I repeat, on display we have the V Secret Cleanser Serum. So mainly this cream is used to balance the pH levels in our private areas. So that is the main reason of this serum. We'll go to the next product, please. On the category of feminine hygiene and care, the next product is the Advanced Stretch Mark Serum. Advanced Stretch Mark Serum is formulated with natural extracts that effectively prevent and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It works to smoothen the surface of your skin and restore its elasticity. Unlike greasy serums, this formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling vibrant and beautiful. So this is the Advanced Stretch Cream Mark Serum. We'll move to the next product, please. It comes under the category of eye care, and the product name Under Eye Roll-On Serum. This is a fast absorbing under eye roll-on serum. Is a nourishing formula that provides a comprehensive solution for the under eye circles, puffiness, fine lines and dullness. It contains natural extracts that enrich the skin, resulting in a rejuvenated and radiant appearance. Additionally, it smoothens the skin texture, lifts and firms the delicate under eye area, and eliminates dullness around the eye. So on display we have the Under Eye Roll-On Serum. The next product under the category of face care. Our product name is the Aloe Vera Gel Tube. our product benefits. Aloe vera is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It provides the skin, supports the appearance of youthful and firmer looking skin. So on display we have the aloe vera gel tube for you. The next product under the category of face care, we have the face wash serum. The product benefits are: the face serum toxin-free philosophy believes in beautiful skin without the harsh chemicals. Keeping that in mind, our face serum is specifically formulated to give a natural, glowy and radiant skin. So on display we have the face wash serum.
It's on your party, man. We got the margarita mix.
The next product is under the category of feminine hygiene and care. The product name is Intimate Hair Oil. The product benefits are: the Intimate Smoothing Hair Oil can be used everywhere hair meets the skin, especially in pubic areas and underarms. The oil treats the hard hair, redness, ingrown, burns, and bumps with the utmost care. It also hydrates and rejuvenates your skin. I repeat, this Intimate Hair Oil is used everywhere the hair meets the skin. So it treats the hard hair, redness, ingrown burns and bumps with all the utmost care. So this is on display. We have the Intimate Hair Oil. The next product we have on the category of face care, the product name is the Sun Cream Tube. So definitely indeed, sunscreen is a very essential part which we use on a daily basis. The product benefits are: the sunscreen is also known as a sun block or a sun cream, and it is a tropical product for the skin that helps to protect against any sunburn or even skin cancer. So as we all know that sunscreens are also come in lotions, sprays, gel, foams, such as an expanded foam lotion or whipped lotion. So here on display we have the Sun Cream Lotion. The next product is hair care, product name Almond Hair Oil. The product benefits: the almond oil increases moisture and helps soothe irritation or dandruff on your scalp. It is filled with goodness of minerals including calcium, magnesium and zinc, which are present in large quantities. These ingredients promote healthy hair development and lessen broken ends and hair loss. So on display we have the Almond Hair Oil. The next product is for body care. The product name is the Aloe Vera Body Lotion. Product benefits: infused with the goodness of aloe vera, rich in anti-inflammatory properties. It helps, heals and reduces the appearance of scars while moisturizing the skin for long-lasting hydration. So on display we have the aloe vera body lotion. The next product under the category of body care, the product name is the Breast Firming Cream. Product benefits: it firms, tones and helps in visibility to reduce the appearance of stretch marks around the bust area. For after pregnancy or weight loss, after 8 weeks, 98% felt the appearance of the skin around the bust area, which was much toned and tightened or even firmer. 99% said that the stretch marks around the bust area was visibly reduced, and this is dermatologist tested. So on display we have the Breast Firming Cream. The next product under the category of feminine and hygiene and care, the product name is Daily Intimate Wash. Intimate Wash is a specialized cleansing product designed from the external genital area, including the vulva and surrounding areas. It is formulated to maintain a pH balance and hygiene of the intimate area while being gentle enough for regular use. Typically, intimate washes are soap-free and contain a mild, soothing ingredients such as aloe vera, camelline, and tea tree oil. These ingredients help to cleanse without causing irritation or disruption the natural balance of the genital flora. Intimate washes are extended for external use and should not be used inside the vagina, as the vagina is a self-cleansing and using products internally can disrupt its natural pH balance and lead to infections. It is essential to choose a product specifically formulated for the intimate area. So here on display we have the product, the Daily Intimate Wash. The next product is on face and care. The product name is Rice Water Toner. Rice Water Toner is a skincare product made from fermented or diluted rice water, which is rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Offering various benefits of the skin, rice water is gentle, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. It effectively removes the dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin without stripping away its natural oils. Rice water has slightly acidic pH, which helps to balance the skin natural pH levels. So here on display we have the rice water serum. The next product is for face and care, and the product name is Rice Water Face Wash. The product benefits: Rice water is gentle on the skin, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. It effectively removes the dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin without stripping away its natural oils. This helps to regulate oil production, reducing excess oiliness in the skin and preventing clogged pores that lead to acne breakouts. So here on display we have the rice water face wash. The next product on the category of hair care, we have the rice water shampoo. Rice water shampoo formulated with the goodness of fermented rice water and essential oils helps to strengthen and to breakage prone damaged hairs, stimulate weak roots, boost shine and calm irritated scalps. Rice water extract is very rich in antioxidant, amino acid, zinc, magnesium, and vitamins such as B and C. It helps to strengthen the hair, revitals the brittle hairs, and provides shiny and smooth hair. So here on display we have the rice water shampoo. The next product on the category of hair care, the product name is the Keratin Shampoo with Argan Oil. Product benefits. Keratin shampoo is designed to replenish lost keratin in the hair, which can occur due to various factors such as heat styling, chemical treatments, and environmental damage. Keratin is a protein that is naturally present in the hair, responsible for its strength, elasticity, and smoothness. So here on display we have the Keratin shampoo with argan oil.
This is the way we drop the beat now.
The next product on the category of hair care, we have the Keratin Conditioner. The product benefits are to strengthen the hair. Keratin protein reinforces the hair shaft, making it softer and resistant to breakage. Smooth frizz by filling in the gaps in the hair cuticle. Keratin shampoo can help to smooth frizz and fly away, resulting in smoother and more manageable hair. So here on display we have the Keratin Conditioner for you. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, as you all seen, we had totally 19 products which was launched today, and we have one more product which I'm going to, which is the most newly launched product of Ashburn. And not only that, we are going to have a live demo for all of you. So the next product is on the category of hygiene care. The product name is Hushberg Sanitary Pads. The product benefits are the superior absorption, advanced materials, and maximum leak protection. Skin friendly, it is very soft and breathable to prevent irritation. Odor control keeps you fresh and confident. It's a comfortable fit, contours perfectly to your body, and definitely it is eco-friendly. Biodegradable options are available. This is an experience to comfort and confidence with Hushberg. So with this, I would like to call Angel to please join me on stage to give him a live demo of the newly launched product.
So all these 19 products, we have got an OIS certification. This product is already available abroad, foreign market I'm talking about, because the people who's manufacturing for US and Europe and Middle East, so same companies are manufacturing for us also. Okay, and what we are talking about, this Angel, like now she will give this product, I cannot give you that result immediately, I'm right, but one product, okay, there's a top leading brand in the country who's doing more than 30-40,000 crore, okay, how they are giving the product, you can see lively. But after seeing Hesper product, definitely that, it will be a peace of mind for every woman for those 3 days. Please go through, ma'am.
Check. So very well said, sir. So as sir said, this is a very newly launched product and it has a lot of benefits such as superior absorption, skin friendly, odor control, a very comfortable fit, and definitely it is eco-friendly. So here we have Angel to do a live demonstration on the Hesper sanitary pads.